Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft Certified Azure Architect Design, AZ 304. Module 1, Course Introduction. The Microsoft Certified Azure Solutions Architect Expert certification is designed to validate your expertise in designing solutions that run on Microsoft Azure. The AZ 304 exam, titled Microsoft Azure Architect Design, is one of the two exams required to earn this certification, the other being AZ 303, Microsoft Azure Architect Technologies. The AZ 304 exam focuses on designing solutions on Azure, covering various aspects such as infrastructure, data storage, networking, security, and scalability. Here's a brief overview of what you can expect from the course. 1. Designing for Identity and Security. You'll learn how to design authentication, authorization, and governance solutions using Azure Active Directory. This includes implementing security policies, managing identities, and securing data. 2. Designing a data platform solution. This section covers designing data storage solutions using Azure SQL Database, Cosmos DB, Azure Blob Storage, and other Azure data services. You'll learn about data partitioning, replication, and scalability. 3. Designing for deployment, migration, and integration. You'll explore best practices for designing solutions that can be deployed and migrated seamlessly on Azure. This includes designing for high availability, disaster recovery, and hybrid connectivity. 4. Designing an infrastructure strategy. This section focuses on designing compute, network, and storage infrastructure solutions on Azure. You'll learn about virtual machines, virtual networks, load balancers, and other Azure infrastructure services. 5. Designing for performance efficiency and monitoring. You'll learn how to design solutions that optimize performance and monitor resource usage on Azure. This includes designing for scalability, performance tuning, and implementing monitoring solutions. 6. Designing for business continuity and cost optimization. This section covers designing solutions that ensure business continuity and optimize costs on Azure. You'll learn about backup and restore strategies, cost management best practices, and resource governance.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.